Guys, the Wonderbomb here. No, I've been gone for a while, but this is a cool update with the creative destruction, vehicles update, and even more gameplay. And before we start the video, go download Omnet Arcade. It's a cool streaming website. Go follow me at Wonderbomb. And yeah, let's get right into it. Where are we going, Samuel? Where are we going, Samuel? Lamp Park?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there.
First we got an idea.
Yeah, we can just take them all out. And then we leave in our cars.
There was an idea.
Yeah. No. Okay, let's land up there. Oh my gosh. All I have is a Uzi.
Since I got to be here. Now you can get it. I am just a message here. I got the
Yeah, just got her up on mat and then rush.
I got the worst gun ever.
What? The plasma rifle is kinda okay. It's kind of okay. It's not that bad.
And the one.
Oh my gosh. Come on in here. Okay, there's a chest here.
Hey, I open up the stairs. Bro, I need to open up the stairs. No, I get it.
Dude, you have a plasma rifle. All I have is a Uzi.
Yeah, but I have the worst gun.
That's not the worst gun. It's okay.
I have a shotgun, not a phone.
You have a shotgun?
Yeah, this is shotgun.
So, you have a plasma rifle and a shotgun.
I drop it down.
Use it. Use it.
What gun do you have down?
Dude, just use it. There's another chest.
Yeah.
Oh,
Up there.
up there. You can go and grab that. I can see if I can take out some people.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yes,
gosh.
go Scar.
Oh, where's Lamp Park? I've completely lost my sense of
It's
direction.
Lamp Park straight over there.
I know, I'm stuck in a tree. Okay, I'm good now. I'm gonna take fall damage. How did I not take fall damage? I'm just gonna scope out the place. Oh, I see a vehicle. Oh, I see
Come in.
my auto run was stuck for a little while. Oh, I see someone in the water. Please hit them. Oh yes, that is what we call a sick snipe in the business.
Bro, do you know
Dude, that was epic.
The break in this now.
Oh! I see someone. See someone. See somebody. Oh, how did that miss?
That's probably let me take the vehicle.
Oh, I see his buddy. They're like, oh, sniper.
I see.
Oh my gosh.
They're taking out the edge out. I can't see so far.
They probably have shotguns, I suggest. Oh, I think they're rushing us. Okay, come. Oh, yep, they're rushing us. They shooting at us. No, I am staying here and I am fighting them.
Yeah.
Okay, that one was on the money. Okay, that one wasn't even close. But
I see somebody.
Ooh, that was so close. Oh, he's rushing us.
Oh my gosh, I'll be.
He's rushing us. Build. Quick build. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, my skin. Oh my god, one of his teammates over there.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna get off a snipe. Okay, how did that miss? Okay, build.
Okay. Oh my god.
The teammate knock you?
Yeah, he have AK.
Which one? Come at me.
The guy who had my skin.
He knock you, you knock him?
He killed me. He knocked me here.
Come, crawl to me. I see.
You know I can crawl fast. Oh, you can root me quick.
No, I go in and I need to kill them.
Don't die.
I'm gonna try not to die. No! How much health does this guy have? Oh my gosh! Dude, he has to be super low. How much health does he have? He has 30 health. Oh my gosh, he was so close to dying. Dude, but look at his loadout. That's a dream loadout right there. Oh my gosh.
So we should train back out again by the stuff. Why not stream on YouTube? Huh?
I can do whatever.
Okay, please. Thank you.
Oh, come on, that's it. Can't believe we lost that game. No, come on. Okay, let's hop in another game. See if we can win this time. But that guy was on 30 health. 30 health. Hit the moves. You can get vehicle skins. Probably not now, but later on. Because I see they have a category for it. They have a category for it. I want, even though I haven't even driven on one of those vehicles yet.
I driven because you not listen to me. Yeah,
Hey,
go hop in the car.
I need, okay. Okay. Let's land at Lion Park. Hop in a vehicle. Then ride away to Springtown.
We're gonna love you somehow.
Yeah, that sounds like a perfect plan. Okay, we're gonna loot the two houses in front of Lion Park, in front of the vehicles, then hop on the vehicle and head over to Springtown. Cause I feel like Springtown is gonna have some decent loot. Oh my god. This bus ride, bro. Okay, let's go Eden. Let's go Eden Vines. Samuel, why are you out of the game? Well, I'm basically solo and duos at the moment. Samuel is out of the game. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. If I even manage to come out of here alive, that's how much skill I have. Why do you have to land here, bro? This is my house. Okay, VHS. Good. Dude, all I'm hearing is pitter patter of feet.
Come in.
Okay, I built and it disappeared. Comment down below if you saw that, but I built and it freaking disappeared. Oh, well, Samuel, you're not even in the game, so I'm just gonna be leaving. I built and it didn't even show. Okay, let's have another one. At least try and get a vehicle, because that is what this video is about.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go line part this time.
Okay.
A quick hot drop, if you know what I mean. And no playing around this time. I cannot auto run for some reason. So whenever I want, I mean auto fly, whatever you call it, auto fly, auto run, basically the same thing. It's just that I'm in the air.
Let's try to people under here.
Okay, just land by this house right in front of me. Loot, grab. Oh my gosh, lady, I hate you. Okay, hop on the car and leave. Hop on the car and leave.
Okay.
Hop on the car and leave. Oh my gosh.
I take the front car.
Okay, drive. Dude, drive.
You drive?
Yes, drive away.
I'm gonna get to something. No, we can't see this.
Dude, drive. Oh my gosh, yeah, you're dead. No, Samuel's dead. Yep, Samuel, you're dead. So, that means I'm basically solo. I'm gonna come and pick you up. Oh my gosh. Oh, dude, are you dead?
No.
Dude, there's the other vehicle. There's two vehicles. I totally forgot about this one.
You left me.
Oh, what the?
You're all the way in springtime.
See. Oh, are you gonna die? How much health do you have? 54? I'm gonna hop in this. I keep pressing the wrong button.
49.
49? Okay, I'm coming.
I'm 49. I'm 14. These winds forgot about me.
Okay, yeah, I'm not coming for you. I'm gonna hit a ramp. Oh, that is so sick. When you hit a ramp, it like boosts you.
2%. Oh, to eat vine.
Yeah, I'm not coming back for you. Why is my game so laggy right now? Oh, got a shotgun. Got a shotgun and an AK. Perfect. I have 0 mats. Got a PSG. I kind of have like a dream loadout in sorts, but not really. Why does that look looted? I'm just gonna rush these people. See if I can get any loot from them. I did not press that button, so I don't know how the heck that happened.
It's like a sniper.
Dude, my sensitivity. Oh, I hit her. My sensitivity is so low. I'm just gonna loot this house first and then go.
I have no sensitivity.
Oh!
It's nice.
I've found a tactical shotgun. And the chest. And my game is lagging. This could turn out perfect. Okay. Just gonna grab this twist. I only have 240 materials. Oop, yep. This is turning out perfectly.
Can't get in the pump.
Dude, I don't want to have 2 shotguns.
Yeah,
Plus the scar. I know, but I can't really do it. The delay is not big, but
What's the delay?
I wonder if people still here.
Yeah, somebody there.
Oh, I see them. I'm just gonna bomb this house. Remember, kids, don't try this at home.
It's a video game.
Oh, I see them.
AFK.
Oh, I'm gonna kill you, sir. So can you please stop running? I need your loot, sir. Where the heck is he?
Behind you.
Oh my god, dude! Where are you shooting me from?
Epic joke.
I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I know. I freaking have like.
Oh my god.
Oh, come on! I hate you.
Bro, if you survive this, 3 people on you. Let's tell you. This is a
Oh. Okay, all of us are just acting like extreme bots right now. Okay, there's so much. Come on. Oh my gosh. How did you even hit me through my custom build?
This is how quick mode still.
Oh, come on.
My dude.
Dude, that was so intense. I had like 50 people on me. Okay, let's ready up. Let's see if we can hop into one more and actually get a win with these cars. Yeah, just some people's names. How can I see these people? Oh, it's back.
Yeah.
Nope, you're nowhere close
I can't
to there.
believe I did the doors.
I wish I had a Doge face. I would be a god. Okay, for the last. Okay, let's go either pick one. Lion Park, Sky Eye.
I don't know. You should.
Lion Park it is.
That's Sky Eye.
Nope, we're already going to Lion Park. Oh, come on. How do you even get that low? Like, how?
Did you get the car
Oh
again?
my gosh, no. We're just gonna hit this house, and then we're gonna go to the car. Why, dude? Why do you have to land this house?
You're not down here.
This house doesn't even have any loot. Oh, yes it does, and it's a shotgun. Wow. Wow, I'm so dead. Dude, run, run. Samo, just run. Dude, run. Don't try to kill him. Run. I'm so dead. Dude, run. Hop in the vehicle and just run. Hey, yo, what's up, dude? Ah, yes, the pickaxing me to death. That's very nice of you. Dude, you have to break it down. Dude, if you get out of this without losing any HP, what is going on right now? Yeah, you're dead. What the heck's going on? Yeah, you're dead. Well, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.